Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to share with you how I build my summer capsule wardrobe. The first thing I like to do is come up with a set amount of clothes that you want to work with. So for me, that's enough clothes to get through an entire week, so 7 days with some variety. So if I decide I want to wear a dress every day, that's enough dresses. If I decide I want to wear a t-shirt every day, that's enough t-shirts or tank top for me. That's what I've decided. So come up with how many items you want to keep in your wardrobe, and then I would go from that point on. I have about 10 dresses, which is quite a lot. I've had all these for a really long time. This summer, I am not buying anything new for my summer wardrobe. I purchased a few items last year, and that is enough to get me through this year as well. But I have about 10 dresses, and the reason why I have this many is because a few of them are more dressy and a few of them are super casual, just hang around the house dresses. And I do go through phases where I might want to wear a dress every single day of the week, and then I'll go through a phase where I only want to wear shorts and t-shirts. So I like to have that variety. And again, when you're making your capsule wardrobe, just stick with what you know you like. So for instance, I don't have any of that palazzo-y pants, which I think are so chic and beautiful on people, but I've had them in the past and I just never wear them. The other thing that I've decided I am not going to have in my summer capsule wardrobe is any skirts. And again, in the past I've worn skirts, but I'm just in a stage right now where I'm just not into skirts. I don't know why, but I think it is a really good idea to go with what you're into rather than what the current trend is, because I know from past experience, when I have bought these more trendy items that I wish I felt comfortable in and wish I looked good in and loved, and then I didn't, and it just was a total waste. So that's one tip I have, is really go with what you like to wear and what you know you will get use out of. This summer I have 10 shirts and 7 of them are tank tops. And that's going to get me, if I decide to wear a t-shirt and shorts every day, that's going to get me at least through a week and a half if I need to. And I normally wear tank tops almost every day because we live in Southern California, it's very hot. But I do like to have the option of having short sleeve shirts because there's just times when I don't want my shoulders showing. So that's why I have as many as I do. And again, it's going to be up to you to decide how many you are comfortable with. And as you can see, I have very few printed wild patterns, and that is on purpose, and it's also because it's just my personality. I would love to be more colorful and bright, but for some reason, whenever I'm shopping, I just am attracted to solid, darker blues and blacks. But I also find when you have more solid colors, they go with more items. So when you have a capsule wardrobe, it's really good to try to pick at least a few items that can be mixed and matched with almost anything. So these shirts, because they're dark, can go with any different colored jeans, and they can go through winter with just a little cardigan over it, so they can really take me through the entire year most of the time. Okay, so I hang all my dresses on one side. I push the coats and sweaters to the one side. I do end up using these sometimes because in California everyone blasts the air conditioning and it can get cold. So these are a combination of super casual dresses, fancier dresses, but this is plenty to get me through the entire summer and spring. Over here, I just separate it into tank tops and then t-shirts. And again, you can see that I always go towards blue and black. And then I do have some more wild shirts, but usually they still keep with the theme of kind of a blue or black base or some kind of black in the shirt. Also, by buying clothes that you feel comfortable in and that you know you will wear, you're gonna save so much time and money because you're not gonna have to go out and purchase new items all the time, and you're not gonna be wasting your money on items like the palazzo-y pants, in my case, that you just won't end up wearing. So that's another reason to stick with kind of your natural instinct when you're shopping rather than try to go with what is the current trend. These are my shorts. I just have some blue jeans and I have 2 pairs of white shorts. This is all bathing suits and cover-ups, and I have a pair of black shorts, and then I have another pair of darker shorts in the washing machine. So all of this can be mixed and matched really easily. We are currently moving, so there is a lot of stuff that is out of order right now, and all my winter clothes I've already packed up for the move. So what you're seeing in my closet is only summer stuff right now because I've packed everything else. But I'm going to show you how things can be mixed and matched very easily, especially if you go with a theme, a color theme, which I do recommend if you want to get the most out of your wardrobe as far as items going together. So I tend to always go with items that have some kind of black in them, even if it's a pattern, it has a little bit of black, because then it can go mix and match with different pairs of pants. The one item I get a little more creative with is dresses. So for instance, this dress is super bright, there's no black in it, but the thing with dresses is you wear them completely on their own. They don't have to be mixed and matched with anything. So this dress can just be worn by itself. It's a super simple shift dress, and it could be dressed up or dressed down, and I do that really easily by either wearing heels and jewelry, putting my hair up, or just wearing flip-flops and, you know, casual to the beach look. And same with this dress. Again, it's not gonna have to match anything else in my wardrobe, and I can wear this very casual over a bathing suit, or I can wear some sparkly sandals and some jewelry, dress it up, and wear it out for the day. So I just feel that you don't have to have a lot in your closet to be able to mix and match a lot of different looks. I usually stick to just 2 pairs of sandals and some flip-flops. By making it where all my clothes can be mixed and matched and work together throughout the year, it just takes a lot of the stress out of trying to find an outfit, and also knowing that all my clothes fit me and I feel comfortable in. I know I don't have to be trying things on and wondering if it's gonna look good or wondering if it's gonna do up when I go to do my pants up and that kind of thing. Make sure you click right here to see how I helped my friend declutter her entire closet. And I have a blog, it's SHANNONTORRENSFREE.com. I'll link it below and you can check that out as well. I'll have all this information about the capsule wardrobe on my blog, and I will see you next time. Bye.